Question number 2. The fixed points A, B, and C lie in a straight line on a horizontal road. At time t0, motorbike passes through point A with speed 5, then accelerates uniformly until it reaches B with this speed. It takes t1 to travel from A to B. From B, decelerates uniformly until it comes to rest at C. It takes t2 between B and C. Okay, so we need to sketch this. So we can start the sketch like this. Here is velocity with speed. Okay, meter second -1, and the time in seconds. So I'm going to start first. We have here point A, then point B, then point C. Okay, in point B, t equals 0, and the speed is 5. In point B, the time is t1. The speed, it accelerates till the speed is v. In point C, here point B, and point C decelerates till it comes to rest. At the difference here is t2, so I can write here t1 plus t2. Okay, so this is the drawing of the sketch. Then the distance AB is 132 meter and the distance BC is 136. So we have the distance here is 132 meters and the distance here is 136 meters. Find the value of T1 and T2. So as we have the distance, we can divide this into triangle and trapezium and use the area under the graph. So we have in the first one, trapezium in area 1, we have 132 equals to the area of the trapezium, which is 5 plus v base 1 plus base 2 over 2 multiply the height, which is t1. So we can write that t1 equal 2 multiply 132, 264 over 5 plus v. Okay, so here's the answer of part BI. B double I will have the same area. We have area 136, the same rule. And there is area of triangle, half base times height. So half, and the base is T2, the height is V. So we can write that T2 equals 136 multiply 2, 272 over V. So here's the answer of part B. The third part, C, given that the motorbike takes 28 seconds to travel from Given that the motorbike takes 28 seconds to travel A to C, find the value of V. So here, find the value of V. We have here the total time is 28 seconds. So we can say that T1 plus T2 equal 28 seconds. Okay. So we can add T1 plus T2 equal 28 seconds and solve the equation. So we have 264 over 5 plus V plus 272 over V equal 28. Then common denominator will be multiplying 5V plus V squared. And up here is 264V plus 272 multiply 5, 1360 plus 272 V equal 28. So V squared, sorry, cross multiply 28 V squared plus 5 times 28, 140 V equal, add 264 plus 272, 536 V plus 1360. So 28 V squared minus 536 minus 140 is 396 V minus 1360 equal 0. Then solve the equation. 28 negative 396 negative 1360. So 17. So V minus 17 and 7 V plus 20. So here I think we can divide by 4 and write it as an equation. Would be divided by 4. 20 divided 4 is 7V squared. 396 divided 4 is 99V. And 1360 divided 4, 340. Simplest 4. So V equal 17 and V equal negative 20 over 7. Rejected. Okay. So we have the value of V is 17. Then find the deceleration of the motorbike. So the deceleration here, we need first to get T1, and then we'll have the time, and we have the velocity or the speed here is 17. So the deceleration will be equal V over T. So let's get T1 first. T1 equal 264 over 5 plus 17, which is equal 12. So we can use 12. So the deceleration here would be equal 17 over 12. 17 over 12, which is equal 1.4. Sorry, not 12. The time here, this is 12 and this is 28. So the difference here is 16. Okay, so it's 17 over 16. So it will be equal 17 divided 16, which is equal 1.06 or 1.1.